In 2025, I found myself in the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia, more than once. And even though I went to college just outside the city, I had never truly experienced it the way I have recently. The best part of these business trips was having the chance to look around and soak in all the pleasures Philadelphia has to offer. I hope you enjoyed this video as I take you along with me to City Hall. Philadelphia's City Hall is a late 19th century masonry giant that took nearly 30 years to build, and it is built of brick with marble and granite facing. It became and remains one of the largest freestanding masonry buildings in the world and the largest municipal building in the United States, containing roughly 600 to 700 rooms. It stands on William Penn's original Center Square, one of the 5 public squares laid out when he planned Philadelphia in the 1680s. In the mid-20th century, some officials considered demolishing City Hall. They stated that it was outdated and inefficient. But the cost of demolition was deemed higher than building anew, so it survived. The building was designated a National Historic Landmark in 1976 and later recognized as a National Historic Civil Engineering Landmark. Extensive exterior restoration beginning in the 1990s has helped preserve its stonework and sculpture. Dilworth Park, where you see here, on the west side of City Hall, provides an accessible, barrier-free green plaza with seating, a cafe, and free Wi-Fi. The space features a large interactive fountain in warm months and a seasonal rink, roller rink in the spring, summer, and an ice skating rink in the winter. And it is set directly in front of the building. This all makes it welcoming to the community and allows it to function both as a working government building and as a civic gathering space. The park also hosts festivals, live music, arts, and culture performances, and regular programming that draws people of all ages to gather right next to City Hall throughout the year. The massive stone columns surrounding City Hall with their monumental scale and weighty finish were intentionally designed in the late 19th century to project a feeling of permanence, stability, and civic pride. I really loved all of the details that was put into the columns and also the crown moldings that surrounded the walls and hallways. The hallways in Philadelphia City Hall are wide, tiled corridors with historic finishes that have been modernized over time, including updated HVAC and lighting systems. They retain much of their original stone and tile character while quietly incorporating contemporary comfort and energy efficiency upgrades. Now, this is the mayor's reception room. It is a formal ceremonial hall inside Philadelphia City Hall, used for official events, press conferences, and special gatherings. It is one of the building's most ornate historic interiors and doubles as an event and even wedding venue. Interior finishes include rich woodwork and mahogany elements, decorative ceiling stencils, and walls that are lined with framed portraits of past Philadelphia mayors spanning over 100 years. I personally can't wait to one day see the current mayor, who's also my soror, my chapter soror from undergrad, Sherelle Parker's portrait, hanging amongst these former mayors from 100 years as the first African American, and she's also the first female mayor for the city of Philadelphia. I enjoyed this tour. I hope you did too. This is my point of view of Philadelphia's City Hall. Let me know, have you been here before? And what was your favorite part of this video? Thanks for coming along.